In this video, I am going to show you how to add a Telegram chat widget to your WordPress website using Elfsight. 1. Head to elfsight.com and select the Telegram chat widget from the menu. 2. Click on Create Widget and choose a template that suits your website's style. Click Continue with this template and fill in the required fields to enable customers to send you Telegram messages directly to your site. Click Join to install if you haven't signed up yet. After that, save the widget within your Elfsight apps account. And after you do that and selecting the subscription, you will see a code, an HTML code. Copy it and then head to your WordPress website and then add an HTML block past the copied HTML code and then click Save to see the Telegram chat widget on your website. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.